Hey guys, it's Trevor here with Prep Bros. Today I'd like to do a quick unboxing video with you regarding our everyday carry tactical defense pen. With every purchase, the pen is going to come in this really nice box, makes it great for a gift, also protects the item during shipment. When you remove the lid, inside you will find the pen. It's housed within this really nice foam fitted little case, so we're going to go ahead and set that aside. Let's take a look at the pen. This is 6.5 inches from one end to the other. It's really nice and lightweight, less than 3 ounces, which makes it very comfortable for everyday carry. On one end, you're going to have a tungsten metal glass breaker. The opposite end, which is the cap, has a DNA grabber for self-defense. If you twist the end of the cap just to the right here, it's a little snug at first, turn to the right, there you have a very bright LED flashlight. You just twist it back to the left to turn that off. Inside the cap here, there are 3 little button batteries. We will be offering those for sale soon on our website for replacements. Next, you'll find this very sturdy clip right here. We tested a lot of these pens before we brought this one to you, and we did find that most of them had a really cheap clip that was just breaking off. So we've already planned ahead on that for you. The pen itself, when you open it, and please note that it is a very snug fit right out of the box. So you just grab the cap, grab the pen, and pull in opposite directions. Right inside the cap there is a rubber O-ring, which makes it a really nice fit. When you insert the glass breaker end, here you'll find probably the most useful tool, which is the writing end. I would like to show you how nice and fluidly this ink writes. Pardon my handwriting, but it's just a really great feel, really smooth ink. And what's awesome about this pen is that you can pretty much use it indefinitely, because when your ink runs out, you're just gonna unscrew the end here, and then the cartridge just pops right out. You will want to retain this little spring right here, because you're gonna go ahead and install that on your replacement cartridge. Just pop it on the end there, drop it right down the shaft, screw the end on, and now your pen is brand new. Sometimes you'll have to get it started a little bit, but this one's ready to go. We'd love for you to visit us on our website at www.prepbros.com. There we sell the pen for just $24.99 with free shipping anywhere in the United States. We've also very recently started offering the replacement cartridges, so you can get 3 black or 3 blue for just $6.99 with free shipping, or you can grab a 6-pack, 3 of each, $9.99, awesome price. And we'd love for you to visit us at www.prepbros.com/shop. Again, this has been a review of our everyday carry tactical defense pen. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for some more videos soon.